In this video, I'm going to show you how to resurface your rotors on your vehicle if you are feeling lazy or you don't have the right tools to take the rotor off. Because if you see there, it's pretty rough. Like I can feel that. I don't know if some rocks or some sand got in there. So we're going to smooth that out now. So what I'm going to use is this here, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. So I took the caliper off, and I'm just on this side, I'm just going to knock off this edge. And on the other side, I'm just gonna hold it here and knock that all down. So, as you can see now, it is in much better shape, and if I run my finger over it, it's pretty much smooth. Now, I'm not gonna say it's perfect because it's not, but that is flat. I can feel it. There's very little ridges. Obviously, there's one right here and another one there, but you know, we'll get some more life out of these bad boys, another set of brake pads. So that's the easy way to do it. Is it the right way? I don't know. Will it work? Yes, it will.